Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to activate your Xfinity phone using your iPhone. Let's get started. First, make sure your Xfinity SIM card is installed in your iPhone. Use the SIM ejector tool or a small paper clip to open the SIM tray. Insert the SIM and close the tray securely. Turn on your iPhone. If it isn't already, make sure you have a Wi-Fi connection or mobile data available, as the activation process needs internet access. Open the Xfinity app on your iPhone. If you don't have it, download it from the App Store and sign in with your Xfinity username and password. The app will detect your new phone service automatically. In the app, tap Activate Phone or Activate Device. Follow the on-screen instruction to complete the activation. This usually takes a few minutes and may include confirming your phone number and account details. Once activation is complete, make a text call or send a text to make sure your Xfinity phone is working correctly. Check the mobile data is working if you plan to use it for internet. And that's it. You have successfully activated your Xfinity phone on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.